Check that out. We have power, finally. So here I finally have 400 amps of service coming from the electric company. They just set the pole, they ran the power lines. I've got my electrician who put in the 400 amp combo meter box. That I've got 200 amps coming into the barn now, and I've got a space reserved for 200 amps that's going to come across here and go out to where the house is going to be built in the future.
It's an exciting day. We're going to move the camper closer to the barn since we got water up there, and hopefully soon we'll have electricity up there. New home.
Matches the barn.
It does. We did. Hey, we picked that out well. Awesome. Taylor's moving the generator. I was just coming to help, but I see you got it.
Do you hear that? I don't hear it either. There's no more generator. 8 months. That's how long it took for me to finally get power out here to the property. So there's the 400 amp service, 200 amp meter with the, it's at, let's see how much electricity I've used. 0. That should be going up since I just plugged the RV in. There's the transformer and the power lines coming from down there. And the anchor line. And then I have underground my trench, about 90 feet to the back side of the barn. I've got the camper plugged in. So the first thing we did, so the panel's inside, the main panel, but out here I got an RV panel with a 50 amp service and a 30 amp and a regular 20 amp outlet there and all the breakers. So now I've got power out here to the camper. So this is perfect. All right, so inside I've got my panel. I have an electrical panel finally, and it goes out to that RV panel. Not much in there now, just the one 100 amp breaker that goes to the RV panel outside and the main breaker. So this is going to be all filled up hopefully soon when the electrician comes back and starts wiring up the barn dominium living space. As exciting as it is that we finally got power this week, it's only to the barn. And so we just have power to the RV and a plug that we can plug in an extension cord to run all of our power tools, our chargers, lights, things like that. But that's huge, that's huge. There's still a lot of work to finish framing out the living space and then have the electrician come back in and run all the wiring, and that should hopefully go quick now. The biggest thing we've been waiting for is just get that power pole put in and the power lines run and power to the building itself. That was just a huge, huge issue to overcome because of easement issues, negotiating, things like that. It took a while to get through all of that. I will do a video on that someday in the future on what to do, what to think about before actually purchasing a piece of land with regards to utilities. Because unless you're going fully off grid, there is a lot to think about, a lot to do, just to make sure that you have a good chance of actually making it happen after you close on that land. So thanks for watching, and keep on living the dream.